Hey guys, welcome back to another video। तो आज की वीडियो में आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि आप शॉपिफाई पर मतलब कि किस तरह उसके लिए आप अपने शॉपिफाई स्टोर के लिए किस तरह से आप ब्रांडिंग अच्छी कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो मेन जो वीडियो का टॉपिक है वो है हाउ टू डू द ब्रांडिंग ऑफ SEO स्टोर। You like do the picture thing, you have to download this app Canva app. You can simply write here Shopify or things like that, so you can like there's a logo for every store. So if I write a Shopify, sorry, it may not give those results which I want, but maybe it can give some. Yeah, so here it is. For example, you're selling earrings, etc. things like this. You can simply do it. You can write a 35% of things. If you want to change the font, it can be seen clearly. You can do this. Special sale up to 25%. Want to this font change, you can do this. Discount applied at checkout. It will like clarity. It will bring clarity. Okay, so things like this will meant to grow it. I've just done this to maintain a balance. So I scroll it right down here, this here. You can change the font here. Also to this and put it here, right? Shop now to here. Things like that. You do simple editing, etc. And if you can scroll a little bigger, you can also do this as well. Like simple things which you can do. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.